Salam sejahtera. Hi everyone. This is questions from final exam June 2019 sessions. Identify 5 rainfall characteristics. So the answer suggestions is rainfall intensity, durations, rainfall depth, frequency, size and shapes, volume of rain, catchment area. So you can see from here, size, characteristic of rainfall can be described by the size and shapes. So the second one will be intensity, durations and depth. Intensity is about amount of rain in a certain period of time, depth over time. So durations is time which the rain occur, depth is the volume of rain. So rainfall depths can be used as we will show in the next slides. So this one is about rainfall depth. So when they collect the rain, you will know how many rain in that specific area. The frequency is the rains come in terms of possibility, 1 year durations. So this is the rainfall frequency. So it's shown in IDF curve, intensity, durations, frequency curve, IDF. And about volume of rain, volume of rain is here, volume Vmax. So this is called hydrograph. So catchment area, because hydrograph is only happen in one catchment area, in one watershed, or called catchment area. So let's see this video to get a idea view. So you can look for this.